How to fix Instagram story. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you wanna do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it and then click on storage or internal storage. Click on clear data and delete all the data from here and go back to the settings. Go to wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing. Just disable it and enable it like this and restart your mobile phone, and that's it. Very easy and simple tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.